नमस्ते नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज सब लोगों के साथ Piccadily Agro Q3 Result Profit jumps 92% on strong distillery growth and revenue rose 52.5% year on year to reach 313.18 crore as premium alco-bev brands boost profitability. Piccadily Agro Industries Ltd, a leading premium alco-bev manufacturer, saw its net profit nearly doubling in the October-December quarter. The surge was driven by the rising demand for the single malt and the premium portfolio. The company revenue from operations stood at 313.8 crore and registering a robust 52.5% growth over 205.72 crore in the year ago period. The earning before interest, tax, depreciation and the amortisation increased to 79.7 crore from 50.87 crore, up 56.7% year on year. This reflected improved operating leverage and a richer product mix. The liquor marketer profit before tax rose sharply by 85.3% year on year to just 68.03 crore, whereas the net profit jumped 92.2% to just 48.14 crore. The net profit margin grew from 12.18% to 15.3%, marking a 26% raise. The earning per share climbed to rise 4.89, up 83.8% as against the year ago period. On a sequential basis, the Piccadily Q3 revenue grew 34.9% while the net profit increased 80.9%, thereby underlying sustained momentum across operations. The distillery segment remained the key growth driver, contributing just 284.97 crore or 91% of total revenue with 54.9% year-on-year growth. For the 9 months ending December 2025, the company reported revenue of 775.5 crore, up 26.2% year-on-year in the same period. Profit before tax rose 43.6% to 129 crore and profit after tax increased by 45.7% to 93.65 crore. Piccadily, the performance reflected it is a successful transformation into a fully integrated brand. Lead premium spirit player, higher contribution from its premium portfolio continue to drive margin expansion supported by strong consumer demand.